Chapter 8, number 18. You throw a ball upward and let it fall to the ground. Your friend drops an identical ball straight down to the ground from the same height. Is the change in kinetic energy of your ball greater than, less than, or equal to the change in kinetic energy of your friend's ball? Choose the best explanation from among the ones given. So, if we look at this really quick kind of sketch, we have this, and we'll draw, you, and I guess your friend, and your friend is dropping a ball from this height, and you are throwing the ball up and having it fall. Most importantly, though, it's the same height. So the work done by gravity, which is the only thing, if we're ignoring air friction, the only thing that matters is the work done by gravity is mgh, and that's really the same in both cases. An identical ball with identical gravity over identical height. So the work done by gravity is the same, but if it's the only force acting, the work done by gravity is delta K. So the change in kinetic energy is the same. Which of these reasons are closest? Let's see. 1 is right out. 2 is out. And then 3 is more or less what I just said. Also notice 3 is the only one that allows them to be the same. So if we have to pick from one of these choices, then we have to pick 3.